Hi, welcome to Ed Foodie. What I'm gonna show you today is just very quick and easy, and it's a very different tasting, like a quick lunch. You're in the mood for something fast. It's called an open-faced hamburger, though it's really not a hamburger patty. To get started here, and my mom used to make this for us a lot when we were kids, and I got a pound of hamburger ground beef here, and it's actually could make way more than what we need. But all we basically do is you get a piece of bread, put your ground beef on there, and kind of put it on there like it's a ham salad or something. And the key thing here is to make sure you get hamburger or the ground beef along the edges good. Otherwise, when we put it in the broiler, the bread's going to cook really fast if you don't have the meat covering it. Then you'll have burnt edges. And this is, like a pretty thin layer, not much. And then we're going to put some salt, some pepper, a little drizzle of mustard, and that's basically it. We're gonna put this in the broiler and let it broil for maybe 5 minutes, checking it often to make sure it doesn't burn. Here I did 4 of these sandwiches to put in, and out of a pound of hamburger meat, I still got more than half of it left. So you can make a meal with a large family with 1 pound of hamburger. So I'm going to stick this in the broiler. And I'm going to check that. I'm going to go for like 5 minutes, but I'm going to keep checking it to make sure that bread doesn't burn. And then when we do, we'll take it out, let it cool off a little bit, and there you got a really nice sandwich. Serve it with some pickles and tomatoes, and it's a nice little lunch. So this actually ended up being only like three minutes, so that's why it's important to check very often so that it doesn't burn. So here's the finished product. Looks great. Looks like what Mama used to make. Reminds me of home. So here you go, very quick and easy, and like a pound of hamburger lasts many sandwiches. If you like this recipe and would like to look at other recipes, please give me a thumbs up, like this video, and check me out on YouTube at Ed Foodie, Fun with Food, for recipes and some local restaurant reviews. Thank you. Catherine's going to try.
Good.
It's very different from it's not like a normal hamburger. It's got a very different taste.
I like that.
Yeah. All right.